Ripple is a decentralized payment system built on the blockchain that positions XRP tokens for a bright future. Cryptocurrency services provide low-friction cross-border money transactions. In the long run, extremely cheap transaction fees are an excellent concept. That is why XRP was created. It is still one of the most profitable tokens to purchase in today's crypto market. However, XRP and Ripple have seen some significant fluctuations in recent months, and it is for that reason. The reason for this is because many investors have been hesitant to invest in the coin. Investors have been cautious, particularly due to legal and regulatory concerns. However, how did one come to be? Is there still a sizable number of investors who have clung to their small XRP investment throughout this ordeal? To be fair, this is the small percentage of people that recognize the potential of XRP. With that said, let's continue with the lovely beginning and go into the meat of today's video. Therefore, let's dive in and learn more about Ripple and XRP in the community. What's going on, fellas? We are pleased to welcome you to Moneyside, your preferred cryptocurrency channel. Naturally, this would not be YouTube if I did not encourage you to click that subscribe button. Enable the notification bell to receive notifications when we upload new videos. To my crypto Aussie brethren, welcoming your return. Don't forget to like and comment if you found this video entertaining. With that out of the way, shall we begin? To begin today's video, we have the following tweet from @PhilAndLaw. Ripple Labs, the Washington Post, which is embroiled in a bruising court battle with the SEC, has an uprising advice for Washington policymakers: limit the regulator's authority in enforcing cryptocurrencies. If we visit Bloomberg.com, we may observe that Ripple published a white paper on Tuesday. This puts the onus on regulators, legislators, and industry to devise a framework for supervising the white-hot market. Ripple's payment network is based on the XRP coin, which was previously known as. Prior to the SEC filing a lawsuit against the company for offering unregistered securities, Monero was the third largest cryptocurrency. He asserted that a lack of U.S. regulations hampered innovation and drove enterprises elsewhere. The Ripple scheme is the latest attempt by industry executives to destabilize the SEC. Numerous coin aficionados assert that it has asserted aggressive oversight of cryptocurrency. Without a clear legal mandate from Congress, Ripple advocates for a larger role for the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, which has typically taken a more accommodative stance, a systematic approach to the asset type. Ripple is uniquely positioned to lead this discussion as a result of the dispute. According to Alderati, there is dispute about the best way to govern cryptocurrency. This is not a Ripple-specific case. We are advocating for the industry. Following that, here's an intriguing tweet from @Ripple. Today, we are happy to present our vision for a real approach to cryptocurrency. The statement reads, a framework for regulation, a framework aimed at addressing cryptocurrencies and digital asset regulation in the United States in a timely and pragmatic manner. Take the time to read it completely. On the Ripple.com website, there is an article. This will provide you with a better understanding of the regulations, Ripple's proposed changes. Additionally, Ripple adds that they believe the best outcomes for public policy may be accomplished through public-private collaboration, adapting to existing regulatory frameworks, and promoting sandboxes for crypto innovation. Ripple Upward. Our approach, we believe, will ensure that the United States cultivates crypto innovation within its borders, its boundaries, while retaining the renowned consumer and investor protection. If this is not a bullish indication of a possible settlement, I'm not sure I'm a wise guy. Let we begin. Collaborate with the crypto sector to give the clarity necessary to continue inventing, assure consumer protection and safe marketplaces for businesses without fear of government action, and sustaining employment in the United States. Ripple believes that each of the aforementioned is true. The measures will bring clarity to the regulatory environment, thereby supporting innovation and industry growth within the borders of the United States. This can also be accomplished by retaining the robust consumer and investor protections for which America is renowned. The price of Ripple is currently under selling pressure. Nevertheless, at Ripple XRP, he comforted XRP investors, saying, "Do not be alarmed, we are still in a bull market. According to what we're witnessing, the whales may want us to sell so they can snag the greatest goods at rock-bottom prices. That being stated, there is nothing to fear. After all, this up and down movement constantly introduces new opportunities and blood. Observing the market movements on FX Street, we can see that the price of Ripple is on the rise, although bullish attempts to push higher are being prevented by a slanted orange upper boundary line. Following that rejection and the rebound from the green, bears have now gained control of the XRP price movement thanks to an upward trend line. More negative news is likely. Bears are in charge for the time being. Look for appropriate levels of support from which to operate. Having said that, where do you believe the XRP coins will eventually trade at a discount? What direction is the XRP market taking? Kindly leave your ideas in the space below. As we conclude today's video, we have this additional tweet from @MacAttack XRP, which reads, "Don't ask me about the XRP price next week via my private message. Keep in mind that XRP can easily reach X100. As we have been indicating for months, the switch will now be flipped, and things will shift in an instant. We could easily shoot an X100 right now, and anyone who is skeptical of XRP's potential will be left behind." There have been numerous hopeful forecasts about XRP, and the majority of respected analysts feel that XRP is in a good position to overtake Bitcoin in the near future. As cited by a trustworthy crypto in his tweet, "Once we clear $1.70 on HTF, we're going to veer off goal and head straight for a new ATH." You can see why this region is so vital in general. With that in mind, let us examine the charts. As you are well aware, I constantly assert that the XRP, it will cost somewhere in the neighborhood of $14. In this research, I will demonstrate that the price still has significant upside potential, if not more. Until the year's conclusion, anything between $14 and $20 is a distinct possibility. As we can see, the price has previously soared to the upside. This time, the price is missing since, if we go back, the price was intended to be there. This implies that the current position requires just a little bit more time to move the price that far to the upside. However, we have the SEC, which had a significant impact on XRP. Now I've taken the historical price action and superimposed it on the current scenario, and what we see is that the price has behaved almost identically. Quite unbelievable. If this price activity continues, XRP should reach $1,420. Additionally, we can observe how the price broke out of the structure and is now moving in a triangle pattern. This is a revised version of my most recent Bitcoin graphic. BTC is bullish and is increasing in value. However, before we ascend, we must descend. We were anticipating a $100,000 plus fix to allow the doors to open. Finally, the correction has arrived. It is gaining momentum. This is a wonderful development. Plan your month's activities today. This is merely a corrective period. Another one will follow the price rise correction. The altcoins versus Bitcoin pairs will begin a powerful breakout. The market will likely be volatile, but this is a great development. The growth we were seeing was dense and insufficiently robust. When we set new records, we want to see them break quickly and decisively, not simply slightly higher than the previous record. Final zenith. As always, trade responsibly. Gentlemen, positions that are leveraged will be liquidated. Weak hands will be snatched away. Diamond hands will continue to grow in value until the actual bull run begins. As always, trade responsibly. Gentlemen, please bear in mind that we are not financial counselors licensed by the state of California. Each video on this channel is solely for entertainment purposes. Leave a comment and let us know what you think. Let's have a conversation below. We appreciate your time and interest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Disable notifications. Please subscribe to our newsletter to be notified every time we publish our fantastic content. We'll catch up with you in the following video.